This recipe transforms the classic layered dessert into a show-stopping cheesecake. Banana pudding cheesecake features a Nilla wafer crust and a creamy filling that's made with instant banana pudding mix. Ingredients: Nilla wafer crust, 3 cups whole Nilla wafers crushed, 180 grams, 1 2/3 cups crushed, a 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 50 grams, 5 tablespoons unsalted butter melted and slightly cooled, 70 grams. Banana pudding cheesecake filling, 32 ounces brick-style cream cheese, softened to room temperature, 4 blocks, 905 grams. 1 cup mashed ripe banana, 2 large ripe fresh bananas, 250 grams. Half a cup full-fat sour cream room temperature, 115 grams. 1 cup granulated sugar, 200 grams. 3.4 ounces, box-dry instant banana cream pudding mix, not cook and serve.
1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract.
4 large eggs at room temperature. Optional toppings: 2 cups whipped cream or whipped topping, homemade or store-bought. 1 to 2 bananas sliced. 10 to 20 Nilla wafers. Instructions: 1. To make the crust, preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit 163 degrees Celsius. 2. Line the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan with parchment paper. Set aside. 3. Crush the Nilla wafers in a food processor or blender until the mixture resembles fine crumbs. Alternatively, you can place them in a sealed Ziploc bag and crush them with a rolling pin. 4. Combine the crushed Nilla wafer crumbs and granulated sugar in a medium-sized mixing bowl and stir until well combined. Add the melted butter and mix until all of the crumbs are moistened. 5. Scoop the mixture into the prepared 9-inch springform pan and firmly press it down into one even layer. 6. Bake for 10 minutes, then remove from the oven and set aside to cool while you make the filling. Keep the oven temperature at 325 degrees Fahrenheit 163 degrees Celsius. 7. To make the cheesecake filling, place a large pot of water on the stove to boil for the water bath before getting started with the filling. 8. In the bowl of a stand mixer fitted with the paddle attachment, or in a large mixing bowl using a handheld mixer, beat the cream cheese on low-medium speed until smooth, about 1 to 2 minutes. 9. Add the mashed banana and sour cream and mix until fully combined, stopping to scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed. Then, add the granulated sugar, banana cream pudding mix, and pure vanilla extract and mix until well combined, about 30 to 60 seconds. 10. In a separate small mixing bowl, lightly beat the eggs. Add the beaten eggs to the mixing bowl with the cheesecake filling and mix on low speed until just combined. Use a rubber spatula to turn the filling a few times to make sure everything is fully mixed together. Set aside. 11. Secure the bottom of the springform pan with 2 to 3 layers of aluminum foil to prevent water from entering the pan while baking. Place the wrapped springform pan in an oven bag and roll the sides down. This will ensure that no water gets into your pan. 12. Pour the cheesecake filling into the springform pan and smooth it out into one even layer. 13. Add the boiling water you started before the filling to a large roasting pan until it is about 1 inch deep. Carefully place the wrapped springform pan into the roasting pan. 14. Transfer the roasting pan with the cheesecake to the oven and bake for 70 to 80 minutes, or until the edges of the cheesecake are set and the center is still slightly jiggly. Turn the oven off. Crack the oven door slightly and allow the cheesecake to cool in the warm oven for 1 hour. 15. After the cheesecake has cooled for 1 hour in the oven, remove it from the oven and transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. Once cooled, cover tightly and transfer to the refrigerator to chill for 5 to 6 hours or overnight. 16. To assemble the cheesecake. Once the cheesecake is completely cooled and chilled, run a thin knife around the outside of the cheesecake to loosen it from the pan. Carefully release the springform pan. 17. Decorate the cheesecake with a generous amount of homemade whipped cream, sliced bananas, and Nilla wafers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.